All right, let's go question 42. It says John sold an article for 105,000 naira at a loss of 4%. Find the cost price of the article. So since we made a loss of 4%, that means 96% of the cost price is what he sold the article for, which is 105,000 naira. Since he made a loss, 100% minus 4%. So 100% of the cost price to get it, let's call it X, for us to find the cost price of the article. So we cross multiply. So that's 105,000 times 100 over 96. So when you press your calculator, you will have the value of 109,375 naira, which is option D.